day, boys and girls. As you can see, I started the furnace up today. It's afternoon, so I don't know. I got me a bucket of water because had some people request that I film that as I dump that in. Or person. I had a person. Thanks, Phil. I will do this for you. I got some extra aluminum here. This is what I'm going to be making when I dump it in the water. Not that one, or that one, or that one. But these little goofy things. Hopefully. And yeah, we'll just see what we can get done here today. I shall return when I'm going to pour. I guess I could have showed lightning and all that kind of good crap, but I didn't. But yeah, here we go. I'll be coming back when I go to pour. Wish me luck. This is a special thing here, so I sure hope and pray this one turns out. Stay tuned. Well, I hope this is ready. We're gonna find out, right? This, not too bad. This is gonna be a full one. And I gotta walk clear over here. Woohoo! Alright, folks. I don't know if you can see it or not. Should turn the fan on too, huh? Oh, shit. Sorry. Oh, shouldn't have cussed. Ah, crap. She busted out. Some gun. All right, here we go. It really blows, guys. I wonder if I can start pouring some more, see what happens. I mean, who knows? Maybe I can save it. No, I can't save it. Fudge. And it was Miss Sheila's. Look at the mess. Where's my little cupcake panko? I don't want to do all this in the water. That would be interesting, shouldn't it? Fudge. Lost a bunch of pan in there too, didn't I? You know what, I'll just leave the pan out. Well, alright guys. We know this is going to be a failure. Let's just see how bad a failure it is in a minute or two. I'll be back. I dumped out some of the sand. Yes, it didn't look good at all. We'll take it down to the... Oh, I need to go a little bit smaller, don't I? Wow, what the salmon was that? Yeah, look at that. That's terrible, terrible, terrible. Oh well. funny? How did it do funny? Bottom looks good. He blew out in the top though. Don't yet know why. Boy, look at the bottom. Can't salvage it at all. Oh well. Look at that. Crap. Oh, you guys hadn't seen nothing, had you? Oh well. At least I get to see what it kind of going to turn out like, right? Yeah. That's what I should have somewhat come out. I don't know what happened. It almost looks like something right in the middle must have started getting screwy. I wonder if it's because I did this funny thingy. I bet I know what happened. I bet what happened is, okay, lesson learned. Probably what happened is it started to pour in here and then really started to pour sort of in here and obviously filled this up and then just started going stupid and the gas couldn't come out. So I get to figure out how to fix this. I have to ponder this problem a little bit. That's what it looks like though. It looked like it just started, it couldn't get out. The gas couldn't get out. So one, I probably should build a bigger gate. And I kind of made a small one to alleviate some of the need for aluminum, but I think the next time I do this, I will do this different. This might have been a stupid idea to doing this. Yeah, probably a stupid idea. But here's what it would have looked like. Sorta. Guess I could clean all that off. Where's my little brushy thing? There it is. Because I mean, I can't have that dirt in there anyway. But, oh well. Everybody that was hoping that it'd work, we failed. But I'm still going to upload this. I mean, everybody can see sort of what it was going to turn like. Now I'll just have to make another one. Good enough. Well, folks, there it is. Crap upon crap upon crap. Ooh, that's warm. That's all that other junk. I'm not gonna dig it out now, I don't think. I think it probably poured in a great big thingy anyway. Can't really see in there. Yeah, that's what I did. Oh. Those sort of big thingies. Pouring too fast. It'll still remelt though, thank goodness. It didn't look too bad, painted up. Well, not this one, but I'm gonna put in a bigger gate. Double, maybe a little bit wider, a little thicker, like double thickness. I should have did that anyway, but these didn't turn out too bad doing that. So maybe if I went the double thickness maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Anyway, thanks, boys and girls, for seeing this nice and wonderful failure.